everyone. Today we're going to talk about the range or slider object in Labvanced. It's located in this last button here in the various category and this first option. So I'm going to name this range 1. Whenever you add this object, you have to create a variable, which is where the participant's response is going to be stored. You have several options here. You can rename this variable, change all of the normal object properties, show the mouse interaction. You can also show or hide the question header. So say my question is up here in this text box and I don't really need this here, I can just hide that. You can also set how your range is going to look with values. So let's say I want to go from 0 to 10. Now that changes the values that I can select here. This little number appears only if you want it to. If you don't want participants to see what number they're selecting, if you want them to make more of an abstract judgment, you can hide this number here, but you as the researcher will see what they choose. So again, you can edit the question header and also the side labels using the normal text editor, just double-clicking on that value there. And you can set the different variable specifications here or in the variables tab. So now I'm going to show you a test slide that I've made to perform an experiment. And so I have two questions here. Do you like to play sports and do you like chocolate? For the first question, I hid the numbers, and for the second question, I'm showing the numbers. So let's go ahead and do a test run of this. I click Start. Okay, so this is the slide that my participant is seeing. So I'm going to put my sports a little down here, but my chocolate way up here. And then I click Done. And then I'm going to pause the video and show you what the data output looks like here. Okay, so now I have run a test run of the experiment, and this is what my data view is looking like here. So I'm going to click on this spreadsheet, and as you can see, for the first question, I selected 3, and for the second question, I selected 5. And that's how you see the data output from the range slider object.